West Dallas, I think, traditionally is known for being a very poor community, just no hope for the people in the community, and I think the school is that hope.
This school is in its 15th year. It is a classical private Christian school. We are pre-K, 4-year-olds through 8th grade. They're very, very smart, and most of them just haven't had the chance to unlock that brilliance. Our whole curriculum and our education and our atmosphere here is based on the formation of good habits and the discussion of great ideas.
I think West Dallas Community School is giving not only these kids a future, but it's giving their parents a future and hope for things that they never thought they could have.
As a parent, as a father, you always want your kids to do better than what you've done. And so by my kids being here and me being able to see it, I know that they are.
I mean, they will push through anything. No matter how hard the work I give them is, man, they will get it done.
Once you come and you actually see what they have to offer, you won't want to go to any other school.
Really, these kids are choosing a path that will change the rest of their lives.
I think our kids get an education that is equal to that of any of the private schools in the Dallas area.
So we're thrilled to be able to give this opportunity for a child that might not otherwise afford it.
I think it's worth, everything that I have to do in order to make sure that they're here.
A school like this can't work without a very solid, committed volunteer base.
If you're looking for a place to volunteer, West Dallas Community School is that place. Our kids need tutors.
When I come and volunteer, I may leave sometimes, you know how you feel down and out, but when you leave from here, you always have a smile on your face and you always enjoy it. So I would say come and just volunteer one day and you won't leave.
And there's no better place to be if you want to join God in His work than at West Dallas Community School.